Oh my God, hold on. I wasn't expecting that.
Cook good and look good.
What's up? It's your girl Queemie Jones, back live in the flesh, and thank you so much for returning back to my YouTube channel. I am at Slades right now with my lovely mother.
What's up?
We're getting her to a food situation, so that's what we were waiting for, a mukbang with my mom. All right, so we got wings. You want to hold that, Mom? Mm-hmm. And then we got some fries. These seem to be some steak fries.
Mm-hmm. Steak fries.
So these are nice. They're gonna hold us over. We've been busy, so. Oh, why they got a little peephole in there?
Yeah, that's what I put to the camera.
I was like, why you just holding up a paper? I thought it looked like this. I was like, what is it gonna do?
They doing it. They want to show you that it's real food in here.
It's like a cookie bag with the chicken.
Right.
All right. You want me to put the fries in the middle or something like that?
You can do it however you want.
Okay. All right, and then you can put this here like that. And then we have the sauces, good old Heinz ketchup. You know, we like to be beauty gurus up in here trying to make it seem like it's cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and give the sauces to Mom. Hot sauce because we black still. And it is what it is. All right. So we got this hot sauce. Oh, jeez, Lord. Did they give us napkins though?
Where's the regular bag?
This is the regular bag right here.
Oh no, they didn't. But ta-da!
Look, this is why I had to do a mukbang with my mom, because she was like, "No, I've got it.
Yeah.
Thanks." I think I'm gonna hold this in aeration for a second and not move anything, then wipe my hand, because it doesn't make sense not to use the hot sauce on my finger.
Okay, well you do you. She's using the hot sauce on her finger, and I'm finna bust up with my ketchup.
This was worth it. So I just came from a doctor's appointment, and you ever be hungry at the doctor's, but you know, you don't want to eat during Corona. You can't like open up your mask or take a break somewhere. Everybody's eating to the side, you know. And I didn't have no food, so I mean. But I do be seeing doctors just go in the corner somewhere and smack down.
Well, you know, that's a whole nother level of scheduling though. They
Right.
work really weird, crazy schedules. So
This is the wing, and this is the hot sauce on my hand.
that she's gonna be fabulous with and just straight take it off. At least she didn't lick it, because I would have licked it off. She better than me.
No, I don't want to lick it. I wanted to actually get the sauce on it.
The steak fries are really good. I like the fact that they taste homemade. Because sometimes, you know, it could be straight out the bag and they just fry it. It tastes like somebody was back there cutting up potatoes.
Well, this chicken is good. So these taste fresh, not out the bag, and this tastes like real fried chicken, not like KFC or Popeye.
Slades is known for their fried chicken wings. They're famous per se. Well known in the Boston area, for sure.
Yes.
And in the black community. Here, so we supporting black businesses, you know.
My man Reckless, he tried to take me here, but we came too early one night. Or sorry, one day really. So I couldn't have date night or brunch with him. So doing this with my mom, because she and my dad come here all the time. Or when they go out, you know, this is like, because nobody likes going out places and finding out the food's whack. That's horrifying.
I've done that numerous times. Going for ambiance or what you heard, nah, you gotta read them reviews real good, because they could be real wrong.
Especially if a lot of people like them club/restaurants up here. So they'll give a review on the facility, we'll say.
Right.
And they'll be like, oh, it was great, it was amazing. But you was turned up the whole time and you was barely eating the food.
Right. You was on the ambiance, and plus you probably was drinking.
Right.
Might have been smoking a little something. And that's gonna make everything taste different, and it's gonna be amazing to you. But in real life, you almost have to be drinking and smoking to enjoy it. I mean, I don't know, that's bad to say, but I've been in some places like, who can eat this? It's lovely in here, but who can eat this food?
Right.
But then too, the thing that is different about this area, some places are known for that ambiance, and the bar, like their drinks are so good, no one even cares about the type of vibe. So you can run into that too. They have great reviews, but they actually went there for their specialty drinks and mixology and all that type of stuff. They didn't go there to eat. I'm always trying to eat and have a good time.
Right. It's a double.
It's a must. Like I'm not going for just drinks or ambiance. Like it better have good food. I want it all.
This tastes like somebody in the back was like, hey man, what I do is fry. I fry chicken and I fry potatoes and make them into french fries. Okay? We do steak fries because we want us to have a little bit of meat, you know. You know, like it's hard having fries that are skimpy with really good fried chicken. You want to have at least a half an inch worth of fry. I feel like the ratio have to be right. Now, if the fries are and the food in general is trash, it don't matter. It's just all chicken and potato. But this is fried chicken. Steak fried. You know what I'm saying?
I like that it's not overly salty either. That's like my favorite part. You know how sometimes you pick up like a chicken wing or fry and you automatically got like salt all over your fingers and stuff like that? I don't really love that.
It's actually seasoned.
Right.
Not salted.
It's flavorful.
Right. Or that overcompensate on umami. Like it makes you feel like, I like MSG as much as the next person. But that salt and sodium, MSG combination with no flavor is hard. Or it just seems like they season it with just that and pepper. That's not cute. This tastes like, all right, we have salt, pepper, cayenne,
Paprika. Did you say paprika? I feel I touched that.
maybe a little bit of herbs. You can tell it's like a whiter flour because of how golden brown this chicken is.
That's all our trash, right? Okay.
I took all the other stuff out of it.
But yes, it's all in your lap. I see that. Okay. That works.
The only thing about eating fried chicken, regardless, I always get the itis. I'm not gonna be able to eat all this.
You getting the itis already off of one chicken wing?
I think it's been two. It's
I
just,
don't know, count. I think it's just been one.
how many you get?
6.
Okay.
There's enough bones in that bag.
Okay. So, we'll do our division in a second here because we gotta keep it popping. Okay, so quick thing: did y'all be eating y'all wings like? Shoot, I guess I need to get a new one to show you the trick. But you remember how you can pop out the segment or the joint or whatever?
Put up to the camera a little bit more so they can see what you.
Okay, so I didn't do it on that. It was just already kind of falling apart. I'm gonna do it on my next one because since I only had one, since she was counting how many pieces I was eating.
I was not. I was just saying, you can't get full off of one piece. Hypothetically. Whatever.
Okay. This is just the tip. I'm gonna use the tip after this, and now I'm gonna show y'all.
Do you want to use mine to show the thing that you was trying to do?
No, because I need a clean. See how the joint? I need the whole. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and work it out then.
Okay, go ahead. You eat it like how you supposed to eat it, and that's when it's in your mouth.
Right, however you get it though.
Okay. So I'm gonna take the tip off, and I'm gonna just pull it like that, and put that back in there just in case my mom wanted it right quick because I'm just showing a trick. And then right now, I'm gonna take this off. All right, so I broke it in half. And as you can see, there's a little bit of this gristle here. If you put it at a point where you get it right at the joint, you're able to disassemble the wang a little bit more. Okay, so it went from having a tip, that little piece right here, to I disjointed it. All right, so I'm gonna put this one down. All right, and what we're gonna do with the flat, because I think this is a flat, we're going to get the bone and we're gonna twist it. Gonna twist it lefty righty, but really 360. And you're gonna pull it out just like that. You see that how I pull that out? All right, pull that out. All right, so the second one, same thing. You're gonna rotate it out and this slides out. All right. Ooh. All right, and now we have a very clean flat piece, boneless style. Now this is good if you're doing like a maybe an all you can eat contest and you just trying to go fast, because you take the bones out all first and then you just pop them in your mouth, in your mouth, in your mouth.
Wow, that almost seems doing the most-ish, but it'd probably be feasible. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna show you what to do with the drum. Now they make this into like a umbrella, which I don't think I did that right. I have to have a flat surface, and what they do at the end is boop, pull it up like that. But the whole thing was about the flat. I'm not gonna show you the other trick because obviously I did not do it correctly. But I just saw a dude on Instagram do it the other day, and I was like, dang, why are you making this umbrella though, dog? And then he popped it in his mouth like it was a lollipop and then sucked the head off. And I was like, wow.
I think I would want to slow down and enjoy my food a little bit much more than just, I don't know. That seems like that's really just condensing down the whole experience of eating, you know?
Well, this is America. We like it bigger and better.
And we like to rush. Everything needs to be, you know,
Fast.
So.
And the gentleman looked like he eats for real. So it wasn't like he was talking and then he was like, well, my name is Gus and I just don't give a fuss about my food. His name was Bob and he likes to cob down. You know what I'm saying? He be eating his corn on the cob, side sweet tea, and his fried chicken, and a watermelon slices on the side. He definitely was that dude, not the dude that was like, I just eat wings on Fridays. He looked like he eat them all throughout the week and knew what he was talking about. Okay, he was like, this is where you go to this spot. You go to Slades and you get them wings there, and you don't get the other ones across the street. That's the type of dude he was.
Like he would know.
Like he would know.
Expert.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I'm thinking that's a piece of potato. All right, hot one. That was our time. Bye. Bye. Bye.